Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video I want to show you how I apply coils on my baby hair. She don't have curly hair, but I'm going to make the hair curly for her to use for like 1 week. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I've already washed the hair, so I'm just going to be applying, showing you guys the gel I use to make her hair curly. So guys, I'm just going to be using only this Coily Kiss Maxi Temperature on her hair. That is the only things I'm going to be using for curling this hair. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy watching.
Can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed. 'Cause if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you.
So guys, this is how the hair look after applying the gel. This is how it turned out to look like she's feeling sleepy. As you can see, it's written all over her face. She's feeling sleepy. I'm just going to give her milk, and after taking her milk, I'll put her to her bed. But I want the hair to dry a little bit. Baby is a baby, so I'm going to give her milk and she will sleep. I hope you enjoy watching this video. What do you think about the hair? Leave your comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you like how the hair turned.
turn it around.